Hey, what is going on, guys? Going to give you a quick unboxing of my new Google Pixel 3 XL. The cool thing is I got the actual Google Pixel 3 in last week, and this is pretty cool. I didn't notice this, but they're both boxes are exactly the same size. Anyways, I already have the Pixel 3. I'm using that as my daily driver right now. But let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of the Pixel 3 XL, and I have some slight comparisons. The iPhone XS Max and the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, they're all the bigger phones. So why don't we go ahead and get to business. All right, Google Pixel 3 XL unboxing. Right here I have my Pixel 1, Pixel 2, and a Pixel 3. And over here I have the bigger phones, my iPhone XS Max and my Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And now it's time for this bad boy. Now I really can't wait to start gaming on this because my gaming phones are basically the bigger phones, these two here, and I'm hoping that the Pixel 3 can keep up with these two phones as well. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Show you the box really fast. You can see here. I forget what color this is too. The color is called Clearly White. Now the Pixel 3 here, the color I got is called Not Pink because it's not really pink. It's kind of a peach. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Take off this plastic here. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Looks exactly the same as the Pixel 3. It's just a bigger phone here, as you can see. SIM card is on the bottom here as well. You get the mic on top. So pretty cool. Let's go ahead and dig into the rest of the box here. So right out of the box, of course, you get the SIM ejection tool here. You get like a startup guide. You get your little sticker here and some other Google pamphlets. Let's put this to the side. And over here, looks like we have some earbuds. If you guys are new to the Pixel family, they use the Type-C for these earbuds because there is no 3.5mm headphone jack on these. Same thing as the iPhones. I don't know why these companies keep taking that 3.5mm jack away. You have a charging cable here. It's USB Type-C to USB Type-C. If you want to connect it to the wall, then they should have a wall adapter, which is right here. Just pop that baby in there and you can start charging up your phone. All right, looks like we have a OTG adapter here. Plug this into your Pixel. Then you have a USB connector here if you want to hook up like a keyboard or other devices. And of course they do supply you with a adapter here. It's a USB Type-C to a 3.5mm jack. So if you have those headphones with 3.5mm jacks, you can use this adapter as well. Let's go ahead and power this up really fast. All right, it's up. Let me go ahead and just try to do a quick wireless charge right in the box. Let's see if it works. Yeah, perfect, it already works. So let me go ahead and give you a closer look here. And like I showed you earlier, we have the power button here, the volume rockers on the right side of the phone. Up here you have the mic. The bottom of the phone we have the SIM, and of course you have the USB Type-C charging port there. Left hand side there is nothing there. And you can see in the back here we got the camera and we have the fingerprint that's up here. Same thing with the Google Pixel 1, the Google Pixel 2, even the XLs. All the fingerprints are like in the back here. As you can see, this is the Pixel 1, Pixel 2, and this is the Pixel 3. Let me show you a quick comparison of the Galaxy Note 9. These are all flagship phones right here. Google flagship, Samsung flagship, and this is the iPhone flagship here. These are all the phones with the larger displays. You can kind of take a look here. Let me just show you the back of these. So you got Samsung, Google, and you have iPhone XS Max. Take a look at these videos. Now, I'm really hoping that this Google will do well with gameplay compared to these two phones here, the Galaxy Note 9 and the iPhone XS Max. I mean, I have to say, I do like the iPhone XS Max a little bit better for gameplay than the Note 9, but we'll see how the Google Pixel 3 XL stands as soon as I get some games downloaded on here and I have some practice time. I'll do a review on that, which is the actual best gaming smartphone as well. Now just looking at the front here, you can see that the Pixel 3 XL has that like bezel down here. The iPhone XS it's even like thinner here. and you have this like lip that's kind of big here on the Pixel 3, and you have like a longer but thinner lip here on the iPhone XS. If you can see that, I'm not even sure you can see that. There you go, you can see that right there. And with the Note 9 here, you can see how thin that is, the bezel there on top. Anyways, a simple unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Even if you didn't, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.